You are missing out if you haven't tried these delicious sweet chili jerk wings. Here is how to make this super easy recipe. So I'm going to start by prepping my wings, and all I do is cut some wings into smaller pieces, and I'm going to take those away and clean them with water and vinegar. Once you've got your cleaned wings, it's time to start seasoning them. So I add some salt, some black pepper, some garlic granules, some jerk powder seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, thyme, chili flakes, jerk marinade, and finally some of that delicious sweet chili sauce and browning for colour. Now I'm just going to massage all of these seasonings into the chicken wings. Make sure that every last bit of those chicken wings are well coated. Then I'm going to lay it on my baking tray. I'm going to add a few more of the juices and seasonings that were remaining in the bowl. I'm just going to bake it on 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After this, I take the chicken out and I flip it, and I also baste it with all of those juices that start to collect at the bottom of the tray. Take this away again and bake it for 15 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, I'm going to start preparing my sweet chili marinade. So I've got a pot that I'm heating up on about a medium temperature. And I'm going to start by adding some honey, some of that sweet chili sauce, a bit of jerk marinade and some brown sugar, and add some water and just heat this up for a few minutes. I pour this into a bowl, and then I take my chicken out and I add it to the bowl, and all I'm going to do is toss it around, and it's a very easy way to get that sweet chili sauce on all of the chicken wings. I also add a little bit more sweet chili on top just to really get that taste in there. I re-add this to my baking tray and I bake it for a final 15 to 20 minutes. I think in the end I ended up baking it for about 8 minutes on both sides. And there you have it, these delicious sweet chili jerk wings. Eat these with some potatoes or eat them on their own if you want, and just enjoy. These are a super delicious treat and perfect for anyone who loves chicken and for anyone who loves chicken wings. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.